So the quiz date is Friday, 9:15, and what that's gonna be is it's gonna be some basic like, can you graph the inequality if it's x greater than 5? Do you do an open circle or do you do a closed dot? Is your arrow going the right way? Here's some examples, and then you'll have to do some where you have to like add 3 first or multiply by 4. Today we're actually doing multi-step inequalities, so there's quite a few steps in it before you go to graph the solution. So with our assignment today, and you will have time in class to get that done, there's a little riddle that goes with it, and if you do the riddle with it, you get 2 extra credit points. So, all right, we got a goal, we got a quiz. So everybody's working. Everybody's working on page 121 right now. It's what I like about it is it has the graphs already done for you. So you can get your answer and try to match it. If you can't figure out a graph that it matches to, maybe you made a mistake or maybe you're not understanding graphing. So this is good troubleshooting on page 121. It's an upgrade. The problems are longer and more difficult. And it has the graphs for you to match. So this is really valuable. Okay? So that's what you're working on. You got a question? No. Right. You'll know what the answer is by the end. I'll be giving the riddle out when we start that assignment after we do this and check yesterday's homework. Yes. Okay. I do really want to help you guys with these problems, so I'm going to put the page 121 up, and then I'm going to journey. And you guys are going to do your very best to stay on task, okay? So you got to simplify the little letter. So like on this one, I would subtract x from both sides, subtract 3 from both sides, and then once I get my answer, I'm going to see if it's little letter A. All right, maybe I'll just do this. So all right, so there's not much room on here. You might want to do it on a separate piece of paper, but here's my symbol. I'm going to minus x. I'm going to rewrite it. 2x, take away 1x. This is page 121. This is what we're doing. Alright, my next move would then be to minus 3. I did 2x minus 1x. And that left me with just 1x left over. So I wrote it 1x. Alright. So when I see this, I use a closed dot. I'm looking for a graph that has a closed dot. It says x is what? It's possibly exactly 2, or it's lesser than 2. So my arrow is pointing to the lesser values. Where are lesser values? Lesser values are on the left. The book has an open circle. Are you sure? No, it's closed. Oh, are you thinking it goes with video? Because you're supposed to match it. So which one does it go to? Okay. Little a matches up with the graph for capital B. You follow? Follow? So cross off capital B is done. Okay? Alright, so that's where the matching comes into play. I hope that you can troubleshoot some of your difficulties graphing here with these problems. Okay? I fully recommend you do it on a notebook paper because that's not enough room. I'm going to do like the last 4 on the board so I have lots of space. I would love to see you just boom, pencil, paper, boom, 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 without talking at all. Boom, 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 boom. upgrade. The problems are more difficult. You got a graph to look at. You know what? When you divide by that negative, I'll just split this number.
Yes, I don't know which X the big way.
So many good questions so far. I'm answering questions. Some people are getting valuable help. Some people are doing nothing. That's on you.
different now because I was taught like whatever this point, that's what you need to play. Now it's like whatever this point.
And you put okay, parentheses. So do I do 3 times negative 3 or just 3?
Miss, miss.
This one is hey, she even put it up there. Look, that's her alien. I said B. I got B and C. Oh yeah, I forgot.
All right, check with me. Check with me. Be quiet. Be quiet. I walked around and I think I was able to help maybe 4 people. So I don't know. Maybe I should just stay here and yell some more. I don't know. Let's look at letter B. Alright, there's a line through the symbol. I'm gonna erase this. Alright, I'm going to well, I'm gonna ask the room. You could either minus x first or add 2x first. Did anybody plus 2x to both sides? Did anybody subtract x from both sides? Alright, I'll do what you guys think. I wanted to match your work, so I'm glad I asked. So I'm gonna minus this x, cancel it, minus this x, cancel it. Alright, negative 2x minus 1x. There's an invisible 1 there, you know? So that is a negative 3x plus 3 greater than 9. Now I'm going to minus the 3. This is looking a lot like the first problem. And then I have negative 3x is greater than 6. So a lot of people get this far. So that was good when I was walking around. That was good. Now I need to divide by negative 3. And right then and there, I get x is less than 2. Because the 3 that I divided was negative. You have to flip or reverse the symbol. It's like the alligator changes its mind. Oh, you moved the negative, I'm going to switch too. So x is less than 2. That's an open circle. And an arrow. Oh, it's negative. Thank you, whoever said that out loud. It's negative. I get an open circle, and my arrow is going lesser. And lesser is the left. That is the left of negative 2 is capital A. So capital A has been taken. Alright, I know people got that right. I saw it. So good job. Letter C. Letter C. 5x and 4x are on the same side of the line. We can just add those. Together they make 9 x's. You got your 27 here. Divide, divide. I got a 3. And there's my x. Now when I read this, This says, well, first off, I'm looking for a graph with a closed dot this time. The first two were, oh no, the last one was, I'm looking for a closed dot, and this still says x is lesser. X is less than or equal to. So, if x is less than, I want my arrow pointing at the lower numbers. Lower numbers are to the left, okay? For less than, if x is less than, you go left. Which one is that, you guys? Is it a closed dot? Closed dot. And it's a positive 3. Point capital E. Little c goes with capital E. Letter D, you can see that as they go, they're getting more and more complicated. They're getting longer, they're putting more X's in. Brooklyn, did you get to little letter B? This one? I did. Brooklyn, you get to this one? All right, let's look at it. What do you want to do first? So many X's. Which one do you want to deal with? You want to go this side. Now, these are on the same side. They're like terms. You know what I see people doing? This is what I see people doing. This is facts. I got 70 students working on this problem. 20 people are doing this. It is not a small number. All right? They're going like this. They're adding 5x like that. That's a real mistake, okay? What's wrong with it? If I'm going to combine these and they're on the same side, you don't do opposites, okay? You're just combining. This is combining on the same side. No opposites. Okay, there is a large portion of students who are messing that up. This is just negative 5 plus 7. If it's on the same side of the line, put it in your calculator. You're just combining it straight up. 2x, 2x. Still got our symbol. We still got negative x plus 2x minus 16. Okay? So on this side of the line, it's really the same situation. These two values, they're on the same side. Don't do opposites. You're just combining like terms. So you can use a calculator. It's negative 8 plus 2. Negative 6. Negative 6x minus 16 is less than 2x. Now the problem is significantly smaller. We've reduced quite a few terms. If you did not finish, start right here. I did the first few steps for you. Go here and finish.
With negative 6x, I mean, and 2x, would you combine those?
You do? But, so I don't want to leave this side with nothing. So I don't want a minus 2x over here because there's nothing over here to take over, right? So instead I'm going to take the 6x this way. So I'm going to add 6x here. And since I'm going across the line, that's when I do something opposite. When you cross the line, you do an opposite move. It's a negative 6x, you add 6x. So negative 16 is less than 8x. One more move and we'll know what x values are. Divide 8. And negative 2 is less than x. Actually, this says x is more than negative 2. So which way on the number line do I show x being more? X is higher than negative 2. Which way do I point? Does the right side show higher numbers? side show higher numbers. So yeah, I want to arrow right when x is greater. Yeah. So that one is it's -2. Yep, -2. Open circle. All right, that's capital C. Two more. Two more. Let's see if you have attempted letter D. I'm sorry, E. Raise your hand if you've done this one yet. All right, so I'm gonna pause. Try something. Everybody try something. If you're behind, just jump off right now. You try to get a few steps done. Okay? I'm gonna wait. Or you just chill. You don't have to do it. What's the first letter of your last name? Jasmine here? What's the first letter of your last name? D? You guys, I try to, when I enter grades, I put your stuff in alphabetical order by last name. So if you just put your first name, it messes me up. And there you go. What's the first letter of your last name? It's what? C. Good. So when your name's in focus, go by last name. So I care more about your last name than your first name on your papers. It helps me put my things in order. Parker. What's your last name? Yeah.
Bro, it's easy. Bro, this is
No way, you just said that. Lexi, I just drew a boat.
Oh my
Is it a
God.
boat? Yeah. I saw one of those in the pool.
Oh, you did eat.
All right, we're gonna distribute 3x minus 9 minus 5x is greater than negative 3x minus 6. That's your first step. All right, next. You know what? I did it one way, and then I asked the class, and I found out everybody did it a different way, which was fine. So what I would do is do 3x minus 5x right now. But I heard a lot of people ask us first, they plus 3x to both sides. So I'm curious, or maybe you plus 5x to both sides. Did anybody start by adding this 3x to both sides? Did anybody start by adding 5x to both sides? Did anybody start by combining these values? Okay, the majority of people did that, which is what I would do. They are on the same side of the line, so it's not opposite. I don't plus 5x here and here. Not on the same side. 3 minus 5 is negative 2x. Now we have that option again. Half y'all probably plus 2x and half y'all plus 3x. Who added 2x to both sides? Who added 3x to both sides? All right, more people did 3, so I'll do that. But we should all end up with the same answer, regardless of the order here. So that's x minus 9 greater than negative 6. And 9, and 9. And x is greater than 3. Anybody get it right? Looks like about 30%. 30%. All right, last one. Alright, this is negative 11x less than or equal to 8 minus 9x. I'm going to add 9 over. And that's going to be. Is this written right? Yeah. So that's going to be negative 2x is less than or equal to 8. Greater than or equal to negative 4. Letter F. When you're done, I'm going to walk around and grade your. So what was you say about 8x plus 1x? 9x. 8x is 1x. So negative 8x. Take away 1 more and it leaves me at negative 4. Wait, who already checked their graphs because I told you guys it's odd and you should check. I hope you did. I hope you checked your work. There is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
What you doing?
That's yesterday's assignment. Page 117. 117.
I'll use one. This is fun. What? That's the answer. Yeah.